Hey guys, Kathy here from Dirty Booty Soaps, and today I am going to make some bath truffles. Bear with me, I'm just adjusting my camera here. I love these. I'm going to make these in lavender today. They're super easy. All you have to do is, it's like you're making a bath bomb as far as the mixture. I have a 2-to-1 ratio of baking soda and citric acid in this. I've also mixed in my mica that I'm using. I'm using a pretty purple color because I'm doing lavender. I've got my little cutting board here and I put some wax paper down on top of it. And this is what I am using to scoop my bath truffles out with. And there go my dogs are feeling like they're gonna play now. So bear with me, you guys behave. So I've got my cocoa butter all dissolved here, all melted, and we're just going to mix that in. I've got a little bit of poly 80, which will help to disperse. Let me get my little spatula here. It will help disperse the oils and into the bath, as well as the color, so it doesn't stick to the tub. So we're going to start out by mixing that in, and I'll add probably the rest of my cocoa butter. And then I'm going to put my gloves on and finish up with my hands. Pour the rest of that in. I love the smell of cocoa butter. It's so delicious. And it softens so well in the bath. That I use it a lot. So I'm just kind of mushing with my whisk because it's all clogged up now. I'm going to put my glove on here and try and clean that out a bit. My crappy Walgreens gloves. Sorry, Walgreens, but your gloves suck. Anyway, I'm going to push the rest of this through. Ooh, isn't it pretty? Pretty purple. I love purple. See if I can get the last few drops out. I've got my cocoa butter. I'm just gonna finish mixing with my hand. Kind of turning. Look at that beautiful purple. And then I'm going to pour in my lavender. Like so. Let's set that down there. Oh, it smells so good. So we're just kind of mixing it, grinding it all together with my hands, trying to make sure all the color and the fragrances are coming together nicely. And you can see the consistency, right? It's almost like Play-Doh kind of consistency. Smells so good. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is straighten this back out. So I've got my little melon baller here, or my little ice cream scoop, I guess is what it is. And I'm just going to scoop in enough to fit in there. Pat it in really good. I'm cleaning off the edges. And then pressing down, I'll release it and pull it back up. And it's easy as that. packing it in again, pushing down as I pull the handle. It makes it look like adorable little ice cream scoops. So we packed it, pushing, pull the handle. And these are going to get packaged. I have a clear round package that these will go in. They fit perfectly. I can fit 7 of them. So it's enough for a week's worth of baths. I'm going to do these also in cranberry. So we'll have lavender for those nice relaxing baths and cranberry for something a little different. Let's see how many sets I can get out of this. So there's one set of 7. Just to let you all know who've been following me, you know, my mom had some health issues earlier in the year. She's now moved back to where we were originally from and is living in a retirement home there. Very happy, stress-free pretty much, and her system is doing so much better. I really think stress had a lot to do with it. She came down with C. diff and was very sick in the hospital. I think honestly we almost lost her. It was pretty bad, but she's doing so much better now. And so anyway, that's the good news there. We are making our move to Canada, into Ontario, Cornwall, Ontario. Our house sold, so we're going mid-July to move into our house finally. I can't wait. I can't wait to get into my own soaping space in this new house. It's going to be great. I have my own area down in the basement, a nice finished area. So I'll have fun trying to get that organized, and when I do, I'll give you a tour. So that'll be great. I got my movers all organized because we have one group of guys to move us or get us loaded on this side of the border, and another group of guys to get us unloaded on the other side of the border. So got to coordinate all these people, you know. So I'm working rather quickly here. I'm trying to anyway, because I want it, I don't want this to dry out on me too fast. And then we're going to top these with a little bit of pretty glitter. We'll sprinkle down on the top. It's going to be gorgeous, because you know me and glitter. I can't get enough. Oops. It's hard to tell how much I'm going to get out of this. I think I'll get for sure 5 sets. And we are still running our grab bags over on Etsy. Those have been a big seller. Let me tell you, they're very popular. So you can run over there and grab your grab bags. I can do a mix of soaps and bath bombs if you have a preference. I had one lady say, I only have a shower, please just send me soap. I can do that. If you want more bath bombs, I can do that as well. But anything I can fit into a priority mail envelope is what you're going to get. And it's one flat rate of $25 that covers shipping and everything. So that's all you pay is $25, and whatever I can fit in the envelope is what you get. So, like I said, those have been very popular. So I'm going to go over 5 sets here, but I don't think I'll get 6. So you know what that means. Some for me. And let's see. where I can squeeze these in up here on the top, I guess. Oops. Okay, you were ruined. I'm sorry. We'll redo you. I think I'll turn this around. Please don't fall. Okay. So, I gotta figure out where to begin unpacking this entire house. I was thinking maybe if I do a box a day, because I have quite a few days. But that way it's not too overwhelming. Four, let me see, 5, I might get another, yeah, I'll get another 7 out of this. 6. So not so many for me. Oh, woe is me. But yay. And for sure one more. They're so cute, aren't they? Bunch of little purple scoops. All right. So this will be a tiny scoop here. There. Okay. So those are our gorgeous little scoops. Let me rinse my hands off here. Because I want to get into my glitter. I'm all sweaty. Oh my gosh, it's like 80 degrees outside. I went to lay down outside to get some sun, and my little Smokey, my little light brown and white Shih Tzu, he decides he's going to lay between my legs and put his head on one of my legs. And then, so I'm like, okay, fine. And then Bandit, doesn't he jump right up onto my gut? Little stinker. So he went right back down. So we're just giving these a little dusting of glitter. One little tap. Let me get some more in there. Holding it pretty close to the truffles, because I don't want them to blow all over the place here, all this glitter. And then we'll come do flyby. I'll show you just how absolutely beautiful these are. They're so pretty. Purple and glitter, my favorite things. And I've made a mess all over my counter, but that's okay. So I'm gonna bring it down, and we'll do our little cute flyby. Oops, I don't know what that was. Anyway, aren't they the cute? They just look like the most adorable little scoops. So I'm gonna let these sit until they harden, and then I'll have them listed on Etsy as well. But I'll link you below to our Etsy store. Shop around. There's some cool stuff in there. And grab one of those grab bags. You get your money's worth, let me tell you, 25 bucks. So anyway, there we go. Just a quick little how to make some lavender bath truffles using cocoa butter and your baking soda, citric acid, little poly 80, and some lavender essential oil. Wonderful, wonderful smelling little truffles. You just pop one into your bath, and it softens you up, and you get the nice calming fragrance of the lavender. It's a beautiful thing. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Bye for now.